Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Google Authenticator into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download Google Authenticator into your device, you just simply have to open this Play Store application into your phone. Then, after opening the Play Store application, you will get to see so many options into your Play Store. You just simply have to tap into search bar at the top, and after that search for Google Authenticator. And now, after searching Google Authenticator, this colorful Google Authenticator application will appear. Just simply open that application, and after that you will get the option of install. Now you just simply have to tap into that install button, and after tapping into install button, your Authenticator application will shortly be downloaded. This way you can also install the Authenticator into your device, Google Authenticator into your device. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.